To ensure the best flight experience possible, make sure you update your aircraft with the latest firmware. In this video, we will show you how to update the firmware. Make sure your drone's battery level is more than 40%, and the battery level of the remote controller is above 20%. Power on the aircraft and the remote controller. Launch the DJI Fly app, and ensure successful linking between the aircraft and the remote controller. When the remote controller is connected to the internet, the app will automatically check for available firmware updates for the aircraft and remote controller. When a firmware update notification appears, tap Update. During the update, do not power off or exit the app. It is normal for the remote controller or the aircraft to restart automatically during the update. Once the update is finished, the remote controller will remain powered on, and the aircraft will turn off automatically.